range almost the entire morning up until what 2 p.m. Then push down, push back up. They couldn't go either direction with it. And then this morning we ran into the same situation here, except for a little higher than we made it yesterday. A little higher than we made it yesterday. So this should be an up sign. But again, one of the things that makes me worry about that is they tend to do these things when they're getting ready to break the market out from one direction or the other. So I am more of a wait and see kind of person, and you guys know that I'm always going to be more wait and see. Um, and then if it does do it, then I'll take action.
That's his hip hop
I
name.
definitely don't want to guess on it. That's the point I'm trying to make.
Yeah, look at all your price action. It's all clinging to the top there. Your pullbacks are inside the low of that last candle, last low of yesterday. Y'all know that Brian used to rap, and his hip hop name was Wait See.
Rap. So yeah, no, it's a game of just being patient today, guys. Born and Michael. Is there anybody done for the day? I mean, I wouldn't. It is Get Green, Get Gone Friday, Hawaiian Shirt Friday.
I mean,
Get out of here. If you're
Yeah.
done, get out of here, guys. I know there's got to be 2 or 3 people that are done. Get your green, get gone.
I'm
12
done in
minutes.
12
All right,
minutes.
yeah, cool.
This is that
I
bounce.
would probably call that a day done there.
Yeah,
Done.
Dorian. That's on a Friday, dude. Guys,
This
Mondays
Friday,
and Fridays.
especially. I mean, you know, unless you want to sit around here and wait for this thing to break out above the news or below the news,
Yeah,
I wouldn't touch anything else other than that.
115 is my number for sure.
Do it in 1 micros.
Would have been more, of course. Yeah. Hey, but look, you're still up $1,030. It's granted, could have been more. I get it, but
That's
at least
1,040
it's
more
not
than
negative $1,030.
1,040 more than 95% of the world.
That's right.
He's in a 1%er.
Oh,
He's a
my
one
goodness.
percenter. He's in the 1% of people who had owned bourbon bottles.
Hey guys,
He's
earned
also
that
probably
name.
in the 1% of people who do that as well.
Yeah, he has earned that name.
Dude, sell that bourbon collection, put that in a cash account, and trade it.
No kidding.
Are there any good bourbon stocks out there?
That's a good question. The only bourbon stock I know is the one you drink. Knock up on bottles. That's right. Sell the collection and retire.
Got my retirement plan right here. I just sip on it every now and then.
He witdraws every night
There you go. There you go.
Roll every
withdrawals
night.
from his retirement plan.
from his retirement plan.
The new people haven't seen your collection. I think it's
Share
time
it.
to
Yeah,
post-
Dorian,
think
you
it's
got to
time
put
to
a
post that
picture in
again.
for everybody. Show everybody your bourbon collection
Did you add
Yeah.
LEDs?
for the trials.
for the trials and
People that
everybody.
haven't seen it.
And just to make me jealous again.
Any trials that like bourbon, you're about to see a pretty cool collection.
Pretty darn cool collection, actually.
It needs like one of those like bartender stands that pull out from the wall.
Yeah, that'd be kind of cool.
He's got to have a freaking library, one of those library things that slides across just to the top of it.
Oh yeah,
Library ladders.
the ladders. Yeah.
Yeah. He's got to have a library ladder just to get across the top of it.
You should have like a fake wall put in front of it. It opens up right when you walk in the door.
That would be cool too. All right, now we're really getting
922.
Trying
All right,
to
8 more minutes.
keep him at
8
the
more
top of
minutes.
the bourbon god list there.
Again, guys, those of you on trial, please keep in mind we are patient traders. If you are trying out the grid, there's another room. Go to the grid room. If you don't know where it's at, log in to libertytradingclub.com, right click on grid room, and click open a new tab. And you should be able to join the people in there as well as stay in here if you want to. Not a lot of conversation in that room. They get their thing done and turn it on and turn it off when they tell you. And that's pretty much, or when we tell you, and that's pretty much what we do.
This is that bounce off the top there. Again, I'd still be patient.
Yeah, look at that.
7 minutes from the
There
there
you
you
guys
go.
go. That's one wall.
That's one wall.
And Coach B, your mic is right where your mouth is.
Huh?
Your mic
Yeah,
is
a lot of breath coming out of your mouth, your mic.
it's usually me, but you know.
I'll change it. Better.
Yes.
Yes, much better. Dude, that's insane.
It is.
That is Mike's closest mouth.
I'd be
Yeah,
like
you guys
I'd be in
remember.
rehab by the end of the week. I just couldn't do
You
it.
should be in rehab.
Oh, yes. The shelves are made of mahogany.
Rich mahogany.
Begin devotionals.
Starting to form dependencies.
They tried to make me go to rehab. I said no,
No,
no, no.
Oh God. My apologies to all the trials. We are definitely, it's a Friday.
You're in rare form today.
We are in rare form today, yes.
Have some fun. Make some money. Look at some bourbon collection.
Yeah.
That's a cool looking bar. Look at that.
You just get it to hide in the wall and a little.
Tell your bar it's okay. When your bar grows up, it might too be like that.
All right. 5 more minutes till the open.
All right.
We got to kick into serious mode at some point.
We are serious.
Is that what it says? Okay.
Surely we're serious.
Stalls
I'm
here.
serious. Don't call me Shirley.
And
Surely.
don't call me Shirley.
That's pretty nice hook 'em though. I like that.
I'll take mine shaken. What kind of ice cubes you got? You got like the globes or like what?
Oh, definitely the globes.
I do have an
Maybe
apology to
half
make to you
hook?
guys. I'm not going to be able to do the class today, finish up on setups, but we'll finish the last 3 setups first thing next week. Hopefully I'll be getting my new computer set up after we shut the thing down today. So apologies. I promise you guys I will get the videos. Don't worry. If I don't do it, Paul will crack the whip on me.
Yeah, I'll make sure. It's
I
in my
promise you.
it's in my to do for
All right,
Tuesday.
here.
Just
I'll tell you
yell at
what, we'll
Brian.
do we'll do one today. We'll do the 1, 2, 3 reversal today, but I have to get out of here fast. I got to take care of the old parents.
So what time are you gonna do
So,
it? Why don't you do it at 11?
yeah,
Instead of
yeah.
12?
I figure we'll shut down around 11. I'll do 1, 2, 3 reversal.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll make it a gift for everybody.
Yeah, I was gonna say, why don't you stay in here? And do
I
that?
was about to say, why don't we just stay in here and let everybody have
You're
it?
gonna do one, just do it in here.
All right,
Give 'em a
I'll
teaser.
record 1, 2, 3 reversal in the main room. There you go.
There you
guys.
go. Everybody
what?
gets a
That's
free
a good
class
idea.
today.
Everybody thank TJ and Justin for pushing me to do that one today. 1, 2, 3 reversal. That's a fun one too. Once you learn how to use it right,
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
and it pays big when you know how to identify it at the right time.
I was just about to say, when you know how to identify it, right?
When you know how to identify 1, 2, 3 reversal at the right time, typically that is a runner.
Yeah, Hookem. I told him his mic was a little too close to his nose, I think.
Cap pressure is stabilized.
He was also a beatboxer.
Yeah, that mic is windy for some reason.
I don't know why it's doing that today.
Does it have the little foam thing on it? Or did that fall off?
The little blue light.
Try
No,
plugging it back in. That usually does it for me.
Yeah, that's probably the case. Let me unplug and plug back in.
Yeah, 1-2-3 reversals a good trade if you got to learn to use it right.
Make sure you show them plenty of bad 1-2-3 reversals so they understand. That's where you'll get messed up on it. It's
The
easy
problem
to.
with this thing is you end up with so many chords.
Well, whatever you did
You figure
now,
out which chord
you
is the
sound-
chord that goes to.
you
sound
sound
good
good
now.
now. You sound good now. Whatever you did,
Okay, well then I'm not going to do anything.
well, whatever you did, it's working now. So just keep doing that.
Your wires were crossed.
I had my
All
wires
right.
crossed.
Minute and a half. T minus 90 seconds.
I think it's going to stall here.
Oh, we're not even at the open yet?
No.
What?
All right, we definitely got rid of the heavy breathing then.
Yes.
Good. Oh, you heard Pip squeak in the background?
Yeah, Pip squeaks in the background.
I'm trying to think of like
That is a
something that
cool
goes-
name.
something that
My
goes with
wife won't go
ticks.
for it, but it's a cool.
I'm trying to think of something that goes with ticks.
Yeah, Pip squeak. Yeah,
Tick squeak.
tick squeak.
Pip squeak. If we were currency traders, hey, let's see. What are we? About a minute away. A little bit less. Let's see what they do with this. Keep your eyes on the news highs, guys.
There it is.
Eyes on the news highs.
There's that manipulation down to the 89. Possibly to the 200 next.
Yeah, I like that name, Hook'em. All right, here we go. Showtime.
So here it comes. Wait for it. Wait for it.
And we are open for business. Wait, we have been open.
Here's the 200.
Not a lot of action on the downside or upside with this, guys.
No.
Maybe somebody's going to try to float it up here, guys.
Does it want to go back up to the top of that news?
Mm-hmm. All right.
And
Final
1,
push.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pushes to this. One, two. I guess I might try to push there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 11 times they've tried this. That almost exact number.
I think this is the last try they go up. If it doesn't go past that high, it's going to dump.
Yeah, that would be a pretty strong signal that it will dump at that point. If that happens.
See if we can get it to the 200 this time. Here it comes.
All
Put
right.
your back into it.
What's going on?
All right, see what happens here.
Still couldn't get it to the 200. They're running back up to get so a little bit higher, trying to get gravity to help.
And yeah, so now I think we can be comfortable.
With longs.
Yeah. Let's just it needs to be a few ticks higher, but we can be real comfortable looking at long after that.
Break and hold above 115 would be a little bit more
That's it.
easing
Yeah, 907 for me.
on the YM. Yeah.
YM.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds about even 910.
910. Yeah, I was gonna say about 910 ish.
Anything that stays above that zone. How about that?
I'm gonna go 911.
There you go.
Let's go 910.
Do I hear 12? Do I hear 12? Hibbity.
I wanted to get down to the 200. Let's do it. Here it comes.
God, you're gonna get a pullback here on this on the ES.
Third time's the charm. Big long look on that one. If it gets past the high of this candle, they're gonna let it go.
Just be patient, people.
Yep.
One at 21.884. Nice, dude. You're long from there. Sweet.
What?
It's a good breakout on the NQ. It's confusing when one person talks YM and the other person talks ES. Well, we'll try to be a little more clear, Dorian.
Could always have another room.
TJ's got
Just understand that it's coming out of Scott's mouth. It's YM.
There you go.
Anything
coming out of
wait
my
for
mouth.
it. Anything wait for it says is going to be YM.
I'll talk
Understand the
ES
words that
first.
coming out of my mouth?
TJ's done. Good job.
Oh, okay. Is that a
TJ?
Buell Knox order? You just got to shut down. It won't fill, TJ. You don't have to worry about it if it's a Buell Knox Phantom order.
Here's your 200
Yeah.
YM.
No, I don't think it will. Not a Phantom order.
On
Not
the
a Phantom
ES, you guys,
prop
you might
fund.
get a decent little turn between the first touch and here. Don't just jump in. Just make
No,
sure
wait
that it
for a
turns around and
signal.
confirms that it wants to turn around, guys.
Mm-hmm. There's your hook, but it's not.
Oh,
didn't
shoot.
didn't give you a signal though.
Try to jump into that. Yeah.
It didn't give me a signal.
Yeah, the 9-tick, everything, guys. I just missed it.
Just missed it.
Did
Yep.
anybody take it on the turn?
It didn't give me a clear signal. I passed.
All right. Well, I'm saying
Bounce
that
off
one
the-
long on my other
Yeah.
account, guys, like I
Yeah,
did yesterday.
Don't worry about it, TJ. It's not going to fill. You'll be fine.
12.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah. Work on that just a little bit,
Oh,
Bourbon
cool.
God. That's
Cool.
about a point and a quarter late. Maybe about a point. Nah, maybe about two quarters.
Getting a long
two
of a
ticks.
YM.
Not horrible, Bourbon God, but still going to get your money out of it. You're still going to get your money. Just a little late entry. I would have jumped in then if that was about the price that I would have jumped in at. But I felt like it was a little late at that price, so that's okay. You got your targets off and everything now.
Okay.
Everybody, make sure your stops are at a guaranteed financial win, not meaning too tight. Just make sure that you're a guaranteed financial win. Give it a second longer, see if it wants to continue to push up. If you are in a prop account or whatever and you want to squeeze your stop tighter, I can't blame you on that. but my crosshair right now is where I would be personally sitting with my stop, considering that I'm taking two targets off. So I'm kind of giving you a guide on that. I'd probably right around 11.
Right at the
target
bottom of the
target.
open range.
See if it doesn't get it. It did turn out to be a perfect little first touch rule, though, guys. There it goes. It's not really a buy signal here, but those that are green could probably jump back in and make money on this.
Same on the YM. I'd wait for one more pullback.
There you go. Anybody that just hit enter, take your targets off now. Why is there such a battle up here? Why is there such a battle? What am I missing? I mean, there is some resistance. So that's probably about the. I can't imagine there being that much left in this area. Somebody's just playing games, I guess. Well, I mean, there was plenty of selling from here before, so there could still be some people out there unloading longs in this area. I mean, think about it again. If you're long from way back here, that's a nice little 500-point payoff. So you can imagine that if you were building contracts way back there or shares, anything outside of the futures market, if you're doing any of that, you probably would be looking to lighten that load in this area. That makes sense, guys?
Yes.
So that was what I was missing, is there probably would be some people trying to lighten their loads in this area. And that probably is why we saw the push downs we saw before from around here. Is somebody out there's divesting.
Man, this has been a week, hasn't it? Market.
Yeah, Monday, Sunday through Saturday. That usually makes a week. So not quite a week yet.
It has been a week.
Yeah, be careful of that. Last week's highs.
And Q's in pure chopped garbage.
Let's see here. The video you want me to watch. It's called trailing stops and trade management under the elite class replays, Justin. Yeah, we tried to be as cautious as we could this week, and
I think we did a good job.
I think so. Most weeks like this that we've seen in the past, Coach Paul and I've gotten a lot more.
Yeah, I haven't got those emails.
Got a lot more
I'm-
messages and emails. Again, guys, I told you I stayed in net long one on my other account. I said that. I'm not going to joke around about that stuff. Same thing as yesterday. Stayed in net long one until closed out. You saw when I closed it out in the grid room, but Just everything says that they should push it for all-time highs. That's what everything says.
This would be that last test. It's got to pass that high.
There she goes. All right. Now I would be really comfortable with the retest. The retest trade. Come back around the zone there. Give me a good buy signal. Probably might be getting a little bit of a breakout as well, guys. So if you're big green, play the full flag. Not something I want people doing as their first trade of the day. Really should not be anything pulling it down. And when the YM stays above that zone that we were talking about earlier, should be anything holding it down. Okay. Everybody got that? Everybody got that?
Yeah, don't get antsy if it passes the zone and goes up here. Just wait for it to pull back down to the zone and recheck it.
Be patient.
It's gonna be one of those things where it just chops for a little bit, breaks out, guys. So just if you're long, is there anybody that is long in this, either YM or ES? Any of you guys? Be nice, good job. Green jeans, I'm assuming, yes. YM long, good, nice, Vlad. Good job, guys. All right, good job. Way to see the trades, take it, follow along. I mean, wait for it. Did announce the opportunity on that YM trade well in advance. He did announce it. I heard him very clearly say, "Hey, it's coming down to the zone." He used a few other choice words that I don't remember, but then he said, "Look for the buy signal." I did hear that part. Something about buy signal, at least, right? I said something. You said something along those lines. I think I got
Yes.
3 of your words right.
Yeah, you're good. That was it.
But
Turn around.
we called the breakout on the ES here. And again, it should chop around here for a couple minutes and get a little breakout. Keep your stops a little looser on the YM. Let it continue to push up. The breakout should come here in just a second on the ES. Hey, there you go. Look at that. How do I always know when it comes? When it's coming? Nice, Steph, and done for the day. Good job. Those of you who are long on the ES, stop at 5. Wait a minute, put it a little bit further. $16.25 stop. For those long on the ES. There it goes again. It really was itching to get in that full flag, but I just had that first for that account. Itching. Again, everybody knows that I'm that long one, staying that way. Probably stay that way as long as I possibly can. Little resistance here at 21. A little bit, should be too much. Should be too much there. And the next battle's up here at 34. So if we can break through this area, 34 should be easy number to achieve. 35, 34, 35 should be easy number to achieve. If we can break through there, hold above this 21 area, or we'll call it R1, and hold above R1, then 35 should be 30, 30 and 35 should be at the sides, guys. So we'll see. Everybody can hear me, right? Everybody can hear me? You guys can hear me? Coaches?
You're a little muffled.
Again?
E.
I'm just going to unplug my mic and plug it back in. How about now? Well, so brother. How about now? What was that? Is it just about now? Funk Soul Brother? What was that? I don't think it's
Right about now.
about now.
Soul brother.
Brother. All right. Sometimes these machines just have a mind their own. Now you're breaking above that prior swing on the YM, guys. So those long on the YM, I would not get out of it. Obviously, telling you the same thing on the ES here, guys, too. You can probably go a couple more ticks up on your stop on the ES, maybe 18 now. How many people are still in this? few of them, I think. Be patient with this one, guys. If you're patient with this one, it should pay off handsomely. Should pay off handsomely. Because I'll tell you what I'm looking for. 30 to 35. That'll be a good one. All right, what do you guys want to talk about? Everybody should just be long right now. You're already done. Stay done.
This would be your safe.